Hi, hope you are doing well. I'm Nasir Ahmed Nofel with another bookkeeping video. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of journalizing Amazon payout report into your cloud software. In this case, I'm going to use Xero. The first step should be to open the payout report that is provided from your client and journalize it in a format in Excel, so you have a more detailed control over the process. In this case, you can see there is a this is a Amazon payout statement from the period of January 1st January 2024 to 14th January of 2024, and I'm gonna journalize each and every item. So first of all, let me introduce with the accounting head that I'm gonna use for the sales. There are two kind of sales. One is for the product sales, and another is for the shipping. So I'm gonna use Amazon sales and the shipping income for those two. And there are also refunds available here. You can see there is refunded expense, which means the expense that you have incurred the Amazon for the Amazon will refund that to you. So the Amazon fee will be the refunded expense, and the refunded sales would be a contra revenue account, which in this case I'm gonna use Amazon sales return, which is a contra revenue account. Then there are other additional expenses related to this payout, like there is promo rebates. I'm gonna use Amazon promo rebates for this, and there are FBA fees. So if Amazon fulfill your the selling whole selling process, there is a fulfillment by Amazon fees, which is in this case 20.28, and I'm gonna use this as Amazon FBA fees. And there are also shipping charges available, and Amazon fees and other fees as well. So the type will be, you can see there is the sales are actually the gross revenue or other income segment, and the fees are basically the direct cost. The direct cost includes Amazon fees, FBA fees, shipping charges, and Amazon fees. And there is also a Amazon clearing account, which is the account reserve account, from which you can actually get the amount from, or get the cash or money transfer from the Amazon. There are can also be additional expenses like Amazon advertising, subscription fee, storage fees, sales tax collected if there is any tax deducted by the Amazon. So let's journalize this in our Excel format. The product charge is 995.38. So 995.38, and the shipping income is 11.22. The Amazon fees, in this case the refunded expenses, which is 16.12. The contra revenue or refunded sales, which is actually sales return by your customer to Amazon, 107.94. The promo rebates is an expense, so 3702. The FBA fees is 2028. The shipping charge is 112.36, and Amazon fees is 391.98. And the other fees, which is also the Amazon fees, I'm gonna include this other fee to Amazon fees as well. You can see that now this is the total of the debit balance and the credit balance. The credit balance is actually overstated by 39.94, which gonna hit our account level reserve. In this case, you can see the debit and the credit as equal. So let me show you another actually the reconciliation process of how can we get this amount which is 162.51, which is actually the net profit, which will be you can see in your bank account when they deposit it to your bank account. As you can see, we have a beginning balance of 322.57. Let me, and we have a account reserve, which means is kind of you can say this is a profit amount that we have in our hand right now, so which is 339.94, which is the net of all the credit and all the debit balances. As you can see, it is in the account level reserve, or I'm gonna use actually the Amazon Clear account to clear off my payout actually. And the account reserve level reserve was 500 actually, which means you if you have a Amazon clearing account, you are in depth of 500. So if I sum this, you can see this is the actual payout at the end of the 14th of January 2025. So this is you can use this method as a reconciliation process of actually getting this profit figure. So now we have journalized our payout statement into the Excel format. Now we can journalize this into the Xero. So first of all, you need to actually create all of these accounts head from the chart of account according to their merit. Actually, there are three types of accounts. With actually, one is for actually for the revenue or the sales, and one is for the direct cost, and one is for the clearing account, which is the current asset type account. So now to journalize this, we need to go to the plus menu, but you can see there is no journal option because I haven't set my permission as advisor. So I need to give myself access as an advisor. So just click the arrow button and go to the settings and click over the name and just change the permission from standard to advisor and update the permission. So if I reload, then you can see there is manual journal option. So I'm going to click manual journal. There is a warning: we recommend that only your accountant or bookkeeper creates journal unless you have experience managing your journal results. So my actual recommendation is also that if you are not uh, you are not experienced or knowledgeable about the accounting, so just hire a bookkeeper or an accountant to do your this accounting part. So first of all, for the narration, I'm gonna name this journal as Amazon Sales Journal, date ranging 1 January to what was the date? 14th January 2025. The date will be the 14th of January, and you should not touch any other options here. So first of all, I'm gonna input the sales. The first one is Amazon sales. Amazon sales. Here it is. And if you want to put any description, you can put it here under the description column. The amount is 995.38. As you can see, first journalizing into the Excel format gives you a upper hand as you have a lot of control over it. Next, we have Amazon shipping income. I'm gonna copy paste it here, and the description is for the shipping income, and the amount will be 1122. The next item is Amazon fees, which is a direct cost, because without incurring Amazon fees, you cannot actually sell your item or product or anything into the Amazon marketplace. It is a credit item because the fees are refunded here. So, as if there is an expense, it will be debit, but as the expense is reversed, so this will be a credit item. The next one is for Amazon sales return, which is in debit amount, because this is a sales return, so this will be a debit item. You can put the description if you want to. The next one is the Amazon promo rebates. So sometime you might offer your customer promotional options so the sales can generate more income for you, or the sales volume will get high. So this is also a counter revenue. It is almost like a discount, as you can say. As you are giving some sort of discount to get higher volume of sales. The next item is Amazon FBA fees, which is debit item. Actually, this will be the big debit item as well. Which is FBA fees. FBA fees. The next item will be Amazon shipping fees, which is also a direct expense. The debit item as well. And the Amazon fees again. Amazon fees. The description is Amazon fees as well. The other cost is also Amazon fees. 1320. You can describe it as the other cost. And as you can see, there is this total is out actually by negative 339.94, which means we have lackings in the debit side. So I'm gonna put the difference balance into the Amazon clearing account, which is actually the Amazon clearing account 111 Amazon clearing, which is account level reserve. That means the deduction from your sales amount, uh, and the difference between the sales amount and the expenses amount in this case for this particular payout is 339.94. And now, as you can see, the debit and the credit are equal, so I can post it. And I also additionally want to upload the payout report as my evidence. This will be the file. Just recheck everything, the narration, the date, and the chart of account or account side you are using, and the debit and credit as well. So after checking all of this, I'm sure I'm in the right track. So I'm gonna click post. So by journalizing this, actually we have some impact on our reports. We have impact on the balance sheet and income tax as income statement as well. So first, I'm gonna run my income statement from the period ranging from the period ranging 1st January to 31st January 2024. Comparison will null, and if let me check the accounts code are not active here, and I'm gonna click update. Kindly bear with me. So this is my income statement as of for the 31st January 2024 for the whole month actually. As you can see, the Amazon sales, the Amazon shipping income, Amazon sales return, and the Amazon promo rebates are in income section. And the cost of goods or the direct cost are Amazon fees, FBA fees, Amazon shipping charges. And if I run my balance sheet, let's say this for the 31st of this January of 2024, and I'm also gonna active my accounts code here, and I'm gonna compare with it done. And you can say there is Amazon clearing balance of 662.51. I'm gonna click it. We have a opening balance from the 31st December 2023. So this is the generalized amount, which is this amount which hit at our Amazon clearing balance here. So this is pretty much the easy way actually to handle the Amazon payout. So first of all, my recommendation is to journalize it in this format so that you have the better control over your transactions, and also you can reconcile the payout by doing this calculation. And I hope you can see this amount in your bank account whenever the Amazon deposited it into your bank account. So this is pretty much it, and this is how usually I done or do my payout work by using the Excel format, and then to journalize it into the Xero.